Well, this is the second time I built a Taucher Wulf, and I'm much happier with this one. It sits better in the water. I think I got the ballast better on this one than the last one. It's powered by a 650 kV brushless motor, a TFL motor. It's wound especially for Zippkits. A very reasonable motor for the price, and it does perfect. I think maybe I could use a slightly bigger prop. That's it. I'm happy with it. I'm tickled to death with it. I've got Mr. Steve Davison on the helm, and he's been nice enough to take her up and down so I can get a video. But except for the fact that she's heavy and I'm old, it's harder to put in the water. I'm tickled with her. So yeah, this boat is now a keeper. This one will stay in my fleet for a long time to come. It's a good kit. It's a good boat. The kit's a little bit of a pain in the butt. The instructions were horrendous. A lot of the parts are good. Some of the resin parts are okay, but it's a kit. You got to put some effort into it. It makes a nice boat. So there you go.